The beauty of the Honda Rebel has traditionally been in its accessibility. A low price tag, low seat height, and an easily managed power plant have made it one of the best entry-level bikes of the last several decades. Now, as Honda continues to expand on 2017's redesign, the Rebel 500 and 300 maintain their positions as two of the best new bikes for beginners, but the improved comfort, suspension, and styling for 2020 also make them great all-around cruisers. While the instrument gauge housing remains the same size, a larger and brighter LCD display makes it easier to find all the desired information while riding. The LED headlight has been slimmed down and tucked back into the bike a little bit for a lower profile appearance. Smaller turn signals look more premium and also contribute to the bike's overall blacked-out appearance. Finally, a new oval taillight fits in line with the rear fender, giving the tail section a much smoother, cleaner look. To improve rider comfort, the seat is now thicker and constructed with a higher density foam, but the bike we were testing had a new aftermarket solo seat. Another major update and comfort feature of the new Rebels is the assist and slip clutch, which reduces lever pull load by a claimed 30%. The load on previous models wasn't particularly hard, but this is a great addition to reduce fatigue for newer riders, especially if they're in a lot of stop-and-go traffic.